Welcome to my channel. I would like to inform you about the Telangana State first round web counseling option for first round, first phase. So this is the notification. It's come on 1st December 2020. Notification for exercising a web option for first phase counseling of MBBS BDS admission including special categories, personal with disabilities, PWD, CAP, PMC along Anglo-Indian quota in government, private, unaided minority medical colleges, government, private, unaided dental college. So web counseling started on the website of KNURUHS. So candidate who visit KNURUHS website for from the web counseling option from 2nd December to 4th December is the last date. Through the website, counseling allotted candidates have to pay the university fees for 10,000 for government MBBS BDS courses through payment gateway by using online payment, debit card, credit card, internet banking. Tuition fee is paid to be respective medical colleges. The tuition fee is payable is as notified by the government of Telangana. Government Medical College MBBS BDS 10,000 per year. MBBS private non-minority minority ESIC medical colleges 60,000 per year. BDS private dental college 55,000 per year. BDS Army Dental College 1,60,000 per year. Candidate option for BDS seats in Army Dental College are informed to check the fee details shown above. The details of available seat matrix are placed to be knruhs.telangana.gov.in. The candidate can exercise web option for MBBS and BDS seats in all medical dental colleges under KNRUHS, including Army Dental College, through TSMEDAMD, TSMEDADM.tsch.in. The allotment of seat will be made accordance with the selection of procedure through the government orders department dated on 21/6/2019. Subsequent amendment. Competent authority quota seat is in minority dental college will be allotted to the Muslim minority candidate only. Muslim minority candidates are also eligible for the competent authority quota seats in other medical college. Counseling for NCC quota seat will be conducted final merit list. Important instructions for the candidates. Eligible MBBS BDS candidate as per provisional final merit list can exercise web option. So friends, candidates, please listen this carefully. Eligible MBBS BDS candidate as per provisional final merit list can exercise web option for MBBS BDS seats in all medical dental college including Army Dental College as per their interest and priority through tsmedadm.tsch.in from the computer internet connection. Candidates are advised to read the regulation and prospectus carefully through the exercising web option, which is available on KNUHS. Candidates can exercise web option MBBS BDS courses in all the colleges as per their eligibility. There is no limit to number of option. So, candidate, if you want to fill the choice fill through web option, so you can choose number of college, maximum number of college. There is no limit for the choice log for the government medical college for A category seats for MBBS BDS. Candidates are informed that they have to be exercise web option to the courses and college in which they are interested to join. If candidate is allotted seat in MBBS or BDS courses as per his or her option and does not join the course, he will not eligible to exercise option for the course of subsequent counseling to prevent seat blocking. So candidate, listen this, read this carefully. This notification for web counseling option for choice locking for first round counseling. For A category seats, one-time password will be sent to the registered mobile number at the time of exercising web option. Candidates are instructed to take printout of the saved option. Candidate will receive SMS message through the registered mobile number after allotment of seat. If allotted candidate also log in to check their allotment status on the website. Selected candidate shall download the allotment letter from the website after payment of university fee of gateway method by using online payment. Candidate has to take printout of allotment order and check their allotment and report to the principal of respective college before the last date is specified on the allotment letter. Candidates RRB informed that verification of original certificate will be conducted at the college of admission in the case of any discrepancy. The provisional allotment will be cancelled and action may be initiated as university regulation. Selected candidates have to report the principal to respective college before the last date with tuition fee, allotment letter with all original certificates, submit bond and pay the tuition fee and college fee. Complete the process of admission. If the candidate does not fulfill the above criteria, complete the admission process within specified date for the joining. The admission will be cancelled automatically and candidate will not be permitted to exercise web option for subsequent round to prevent seat blocking. So this is the point. 13 point, original certificate will not be returned to be candidate unless the candidate discontinue the course. If the candidate slides the other college during subsequent phase of counseling, the original certificate will be sent to the college concerned after closure of admission. Candidate will have to pay a discontinuation penalty amount if they can discontinue the course after the notification is issued for the free exit from the competent authority quota for later to get their original certificate back as per government regulation. Candidate will be debarred from the admission into same course under KNRUHS for 3 years. University fees once paid shall not be refunded under any circumstances. So this is very important points. Candidate, listen this and read this carefully, this notification. If the candidate faces any difficulties, following number, contact on the helpline number. So candidate, I can tell you how to do the web counseling. The page is the another page, like open this, like the website is www.tsmedadm.tsche.in for the web counseling. You already uploaded your all documents. You just go through the web counseling, web option phase 1. You click on this and the page open like this. You put here I understood and you put your roll number, rank number, mobile number, registered registration number and generate OTP and validate. Notification for web option phase. This is the notification. Procedure for exercise web option. This is the procedure. Online application web counseling. Understood? Page like you click on the web option and page like is open like this. Click on I understood. Then put your roll number, rank, mobile number, registration number and OTP and validate. You select the college. There is the college list: Usmania Medical College, Government Gandhi Medical College, Katkiya Medical College, Rajiv Institute of Medical College, Government Medical College, ESIC Medical College, Government Medical Siddhapet, Suryapet. This is the college list and you can check, you can select all colleges. There is no limit for the choosing the college. तो जो लोगों को कॉलेज सेलेक्ट करना हो फर्स्ट राउंड काउंसलिंग के लिए, एक कैटेगरी के लिए, वो लोग मैक्सिमम जितना कॉलेज चाहे उतना सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इसमें कोई लिमिट नहीं है. देयर इज नो लिमिट फॉर द चूजिंग ऑप्शन. देन आफ्टर चूजिंग अ कॉलेज, योर प्रायोरिटी कॉलेज, the page like open the list and add your college, confirm the button, press the button and this is the page. A priority option open like this. If you choose 3 college, 5 college, 6 college, like that, the page will open like this. You can add or delete. There's the option add, delete, modified and save, log out. Put roll number, save and put your roll number, rank number and get OTP again and confirm it. So this is the final procedure. You can get this printout of your chosen college, selected college for the choice log for counseling, and after that you save KNRUHS Health Science Telangana, save option, and this is the prospectus. I can give you the PDF file how to put the web counseling, how to choice log for the Telangana state first round counseling for A category seats for government and private and government and medical seats. So candidate, be on this channel and press the bell icon, like this channel, subscribe this channel and like this video, and also share this video with your friends and press the bell icon for the latest update about the Telangana state or other states. So future doctors, all the best for